Christmas decorating doesn't have to be expensive to be magical. With a little creativity and a few simple budget-friendly finds, you can transform your home into a festive wonderland. Today, we're exploring dollar store-inspired DIY Christmas decor ideas that are easy, stylish, and full of holiday charm. In this video, we'll break the inspiration into 4 sections: everyday items you can transform, elegant display ideas, creative wall and shelf decor, and cozy centerpiece concepts. These simple DIY ideas show that holiday beauty doesn't need a big budget, just imagination. Start by looking at everyday pieces with a fresh holiday perspective. Simple objects can be turned into festive accents with just a touch of sparkle or seasonal texture. The idea is to take something ordinary and give it a warm, cheerful upgrade that feels handmade and personal. Play with shapes, layers, and color combinations to create unique decorations that look far more expensive than they are. Budget-friendly decor can look incredibly chic when arranged thoughtfully. Group items together for impact, use symmetry to create balance, and place pieces at varying heights for a more elevated designer feel. If you loved these budget-friendly dollar store Christmas DIYs, make sure to like this video and share it with someone who loves crafting on a budget. Even the simplest display can look luxurious when you combine warm lighting, soft details, and a consistent color palette. The key is presentation, not price. Walls and shelves are the easiest places to add Christmas cheer without spending much. Create simple hanging pieces, layered arrangements, or festive frames that bring personality to the room. Mix textures, shapes, and tones to create depth. Even a small touch can completely transform a blank wall or shelf and make it feel holiday ready. Which DIY was your favorite? Ornaments, centerpieces, wreaths, or gift wrap hacks? Tell me in the comments below. Centerpieces don't need to be elaborate to be beautiful. Gather a few simple pieces, anchor them with a main focal point, and surround them with soft accents to build a warm, inviting moment. Whether it's for the dining table, coffee table, or entryway, a cozy centerpiece instantly makes your home feel festive and thoughtfully decorated, all without overspending. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And that wraps up our dollar store-inspired DIY Christmas decor ideas. With just a few affordable pieces and your creative touch, you can decorate beautifully on any budget. Remember, Christmas magic isn't about how much you spend, but how much joy you bring into your space. Have fun crafting, decorating, and creating a holiday home you love.